Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, we're going to be making some really fun snowflakes today. I made these snowflakes little signs, and I love how they turned out. I thought they were such a fun little project to create, and I want to show you guys how I made these. These are so simple. They are one of the quickest projects you can probably create for Christmas on a budget, and it's super duper easy. So let's get started. So this is what they look like. Let me show you up close. These snowflakes turned out so pretty. I literally did not do nothing to them, but they just turned out so beautiful. And I'm gonna show you, all right? So, okay, let's put these on the side so we can create our snowflakes. Okay, what I use for the snowflakes are from the Dollar Tree snowflakes. These are mostly from the Dollar Tree, by the way. If you guys remember, the Dollar Tree were selling these super fun little signs that are snowflakes. They're the 3-in-1. I love projects like this because you can make your money stretch, right? Because there's so many of these little 3-in-1 signs, we can always make a whole bunch of them if we like tear them apart and make them individual, which is what we're going to do for this project. We also did that for our last project. So I'm always looking to find things like this that I can kind of like, you know, fix around and give it a nice little revamp to it. So what I did is I poured these apart. Very simple to do. They come with these little hooks that you see here. I basically just pull these apart. They're not hard to do at all. They're just like little rings. And what I like to do is I like to save these little rings because you never know what you need them for. We can probably use these for maybe another project. So I just keep my little rings on the side. And you're going to make your snowflakes look individually like this. Simple. These come in different colors, by the way. I have here the silver one, as you can see. They also come, I believe, in blue. And I want to say they might come in gold. And they also come in white. So just keep your eye out for these snowflakes if you come across them, okay? I only need 2 more because I already created these and I just need 2 more. So we're going to do that together. Once you pull your snowflakes apart, you're going to need some cupcake liners. I picked these cupcake liners because I love the color, and these are the ones I got also from the Dollar Tree. I got the mommy cupcake liners and I got the baby cupcake liners. I call them mommies and babies because these are like the mini ones and these are like the regular size cupcake liners, okay? I also found these at the Dollar Tree, so just keep your eye open for, you know, little knickknacks like this that can really make your project look pretty, and it's still very affordable, right? Okay, pick your cupcake liner, whatever you want. And what I did in my case is I picked 2 different cupcake liners because I wanted to kind of like mix match them, okay? So I'm gonna do here the green, and all I do with my cupcake liners is I fold it in half, I scrunch it in the middle, and then I open my cupcake liner and I give it a nice pretty circle embellishment look to it. If you want your circle to be smaller, then you pinch it more. If you want it to be bigger, then you obviously open it up, okay? You can actually maneuver the size of your embellishment. All right, so I like that size like that. That's the green one, and I'm also going to do the red one. Okay, I'm also going to do the same thing with the little baby ones that I have here. I have this green baby one, and then I have the red one. I feel like there's 2 in here. Yep, there is 2. same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to squish it in the middle. I'm going to scrunch, scrunch, scrunch in the middle, open it up, and boom. So for the red one, I'm going to put it to the green. And for the green one, I'm going to put it towards the red. Just kind of like interchange them, right? And then what we're going to do is, let's put this on the side for now. Let's concentrate on the cupcake liner. We're going to glue them down. So you're going to glue down the baby cupcake liner to the mommy. Okay? Glue them down together, just like that. Okay? And you're going to get something like that. We're going to do the same thing with this one. Okay, and that's basically what we're going to do with the cupcake liners. Okay, so you're going to get a cupcake liner that looks like this. Now we're going to find the center embellishment for the cupcake liners. What I am using are these beautiful, gorgeous little signs that I got last year at AC Moore. They no longer exist. They actually closed, but I still have tons of AC Moore stuff lingering around. Never used these signs, and I came across them while I was storing away my Christmas goodies, and I love these signs. So I'm going to use them, okay? I'm going to use this one that says, this one that says Christmas tree on it, and I'm going to use the ho 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 one. These signs also come with the bigger one. So you get 4 of these, and then you get, hold on, wait, that's the wrong one. This one. You get, in the pack, you get 4 of these little ones, and you get 4 of these big ones. So I'm thinking of doing a project with this one, maybe later on, okay? But for now, we're going to use a smaller one. Now, in the event that you don't have something similar to this, the Dollar Tree, everything from the Dollar Tree, they also sell these awesome little veneers, wood veneers, that you can also use in the event that you don't have something that you can put in the middle of your little embellishment. You can just basically paint these, or you know, color them, or whatever you want to do to them. Maybe even put glitter on them, and you can add these in the center as your little embellishment. Worst comes to worst, don't worry, don't worry. Use your stickers, guys. There's tons of stickers that you can use. I know you have them. I know you do. If you are crafty like me, you have millions of stickers at home. I know you do. Just use your stickers. You can use stickers and put them in the middle, and that works just fine. No big deal, okay? No big deal. Make it work. All right, so we're going to apply this in the center of the little cupcake liner, just like so, okay? Let's put some hot glue on this baby. A little dab of hot glue back here. And then I'm going to add this in the center of my cupcake liner, just like that. And I'm going to hold a little bit of a pressure so it can glue it down. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to attach these little cupcake embellishments to our snowflakes. And we're done. You think I was joking when I told you this is a simple project? I wasn't joking. I was very honest. It's super duper easy. Okay, let's glue our beautiful little embellishment to our little snowflakes, okay? Now, I want to make sure, what I do is I'll make sure that I have a little hook, like this little hook facing that way, so I can hook a little string through here, and I can hang it from the wall, okay? So when you are adding your embellishment, make sure that when you're adding it, you have a little hook that is facing that way, okay? Because you don't want to add your embellishments, let's say for example this way, and then your hook is this way, then you can't really, it won't look good, okay? I mean, the reason why I'm saying that, because I've made that mistake before. So it's not, you know, it's anybody can make that mistake. Okay, hot glue. We're going to add some hot glue to the snowflakes right in the center. Carefully and very generously. And then we're going to apply our embellishment to the center. We're going to add some pressure so it can adhere. And literally, we're done. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little string or a little hook to the snowflake so we are able to hang it from the wall. See? And there you have it. And we're going to do the other one, which is the last one we got to do, which is this one right here. Make sure the hook is facing that way. You're going to add your embellishment onto this right here. You're going to add a generous amount of hot glue. Be very careful because this hot glue is super duper hot. And we're going to add our embellishment right in the center. Giving it a little bit of pressure. And voila. And there you have it. This is so cute. I love it. It's so simple, but I love it because it's just so pretty. It's going to look so pretty on the wall. I'm going to add my little hook. And we are done. And that's it, my loves. See that? That is how we create these really fun embellished. I just love them. Look how pretty they turned out. They're so beautiful. I absolutely love how these turned out, guys. And it did not take that long. I'm gonna give it about, if you need to make a few of these, you can probably bang a whole bunch of these in 10 minutes, literally. You can even have like maybe your babies help you, not with the hot glue part, but like with anything else. But anyway, in the event of how you're curious to see how this looks up close, boom, look how cute these look. I love them. That's how they turned out, my loves. I think they turned out beautiful. I hope this is a really fun project for you, and I hope that you enjoy watching me make these. Let me know what you guys think about these adorable little signs. I will see you guys on my next video. Please be safe, and I love you all. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments, by the way, guys. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye, loves.